Emergent versus Lovable. Which AI app builder is better in 2025? So Emergent is a Gen AI-powered agentic vibe coding platform that converts text prompts into fully functional, production-ready web applications. There's no developers needed. It covers the entire stack: UI, backend logic, databases, testing, and deployment. And it's backed by Y Combinator and led by ex-Google and ex-Amazon engineers. So what it offers is a true end-to-end app creation, production-ready outputs which goes beyond prototypes, rapid adoption for over 10,000 plus apps created with 2 weeks of alpha launch, and focus on anatomy, which handles architecture, logic, testing, and deployment with minimal user friction. The problem is, it has limited public access and it is still in the early stages, which is still unknown. Lovable, on the other hand, is a fast-growing AI app builder that transforms natural language prompts into full-stack web applications, complete with UI, authentication, data storage, and GitHub's integration. It's especially targeted at non-developers and early team founders. So what it offers is a massive traction, which is around approximately 17 million ARR, and it generates full stack apps, the UI, the backend, the storage, authentication, and even payment handled out of the box. It even offers real-time collaboration and integration, and it has the GitHub, Sybase, and team editing supported. It is also accessible for non-coders. The problem is, it is credit-based with the limitations and the costs, and it has reliability issues with larger projects, and the design control is constrained. So in conclusion, which should you choose? Well, go for Lovable because it has the fastest turnaround time so far. And at a certain point, it is still asking for a charge and would mess up in some areas. But overall, if you want true to end codeless app development with built-in deployment and infrastructure, then choose Emergent. And then if you want and need early access and can't wait for an invite, then choose Lovable.